What is Smart Qube TV? Smart Qube TV is a clever little box that turns any TV into a smart TV. This could appeal to hotels that have existing TV estate and are not yet really wanting to upgrade that existing TV to a smart TV, yet want to make the applications and the benefits available for their guests, or alternatively to hotels that are interested in upgrading their TV estate, but not necessarily looking to invest in those premium smart TV models. So why would you go for Smart Qube? What's compelling about it? Well, from a guest perspective, it does offer you a way to access information and content and take control of the way that you consume that. And it's added in addition to TV channels. And from the hotel, they can provide that through a fully emotive, branded interface and build that connection with the guest. Why would you go for Smart Qube TV over a consumer product? Well, there are three compelling reasons for that. The first reason is, as I mentioned before, hotels can provide that emotional branded experience in addition to providing hotel information and local information to the guests. The second reason is with a consumer product, it's highly likely that it will have additional remote control. With Smart Qube TV, the remote control is already paired with the box, and additionally it pairs to the television. What this means is there's one remote control, and for additional convenience and benefit there is a gyroscopic remote control, which means that it points to the screen, and on the reverse there's a 26-character QWERTY keyboard, which really enhances the speed at which guests can use the internet. The third reason is perhaps the most important. It's around taking control of the guest data. With a consumer application, the guest is going to have to remember to log out of each and every application at checkout. With Smart Qube, the guests can hit one button and it clears them from all their applications. But for additional protection, Smart Qube also automatically logs the guests out, for example, during the checkout hour, and there's also the option to have that periodically throughout the day as well. So how does it work? First of all, the Smart Qube box requires power. It connects to the television via the HDMI. It's also necessary to pair the remote control to the TV. This is easily done via entering a 2-digit code. Once the remote control has been paired, it's then necessary to connect the box to the internet. This can be done via the Cat5, Cat6 cable, or alternatively, if there's a high quality network in the hotel room, it may be possible to use Wi-Fi. Where Cat5, Cat6 cable is used, additionally this box could be used as an in-room access point, adding an additional benefit if in-room Wi-Fi isn't already available on the property. The remote control is also gyroscopic, which means that I can easily select items on the screen. When a customization has been prepared, and is prepared in the cloud, it's then published. It's published from the internet, and these set-top boxes will automatically update with the customization, and all the content will be stored locally. If there is an update to a customization, this process is repeated again. And also the cloud is used to manage firmware updates. Okay, so let's take a look. This is an example of a CMS page. This template hasn't actually been populated, but the template does show you a space for a logo, a space to insert an image, and also text. There are a number of different templates available. It's possible to run a promotional video or web links. A web link is a walled garden to access the internet, and the guest can then navigate using the remote control and able to scroll up and down the screen. The guest can use the keyboard or the virtual keyboard to enter text. Return to the home screen at any time by pressing the home key on the remote control. It's also possible to use PDF files instead of the CMS. This could be, for example, the restaurant creating their own menus in Word and saving as a PDF. It could be a promotion for a hotel service done in PowerPoint or similar and saved as a PDF, or even, for example, a local transportation map. This is an example of an application. The hotel's postcode or zip code can be entered to identify local points of interest. Other applications include, for example, catch-up TV services.
Welcome to Hair. It's the grand final. We started with 8 stylists, and now we're down to our final 3.
Catch up on local news. Another example of an application might be a game. For example, Angry Birds. With Smart Qube TV, it's also possible to run a hotel media share app, which allows guests to share their personal content on both Android and Apple devices. In summary, Smart Qube TV is a fully interactive experience that satisfies guests, it enables hotels to promote their brands and services, and it's globally available from Quadriga.